In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a product on your Wayfair seller account, a crucial step in expanding your reach to millions of customers worldwide. Let's jump right in and explore how you can seamlessly navigate this process with ease and efficiency. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wayfair seller account. This is your gateway to managing your listings and making sure your products are presented to potential buyers in the best possible way. So head over to the Wayfair website and enter the credentials associated with your account. Once you're in, look for the section labeled either Add Product or New Listing. You'll usually find this in the main dashboard area. Clicking on this will take you to the product listing page where the real work begins. This is where you'll input all the details about your product, so accuracy and attention to detail are key. Now it's time to fill in the required fields, starting with the product title. Your title should be both descriptive and enticing, highlighting key features that set your item apart. Choose a category that best matches your product. This will help customers find it easily when they search within Wayfair. Next, set a competitive price. It can help to conduct a little market research beforehand to understand what similar items are selling for. Additionally, ensure you clearly define the shipping options. Accurately setting delivery times and methods can greatly improve customer satisfaction and reduce the likelihood of returns or complaints. These details are essential not just for catching the eye of a prospective customer, but also for optimizing your listing in Wayfair's search results. After filling out these primary fields, move on to uploading high-quality images of your product. High-resolution photos from various angles can significantly impact a buyer's decision-making process. You'll want to ensure your images are clear, well-lit, and showcase the product's features comprehensively. Remember, these images serve as a visual representation of your product, so take the time to make sure they look their best. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and uploaded your images, you're ready to submit your product listing for Wayfair's approval. Keep in mind the approval process can take some time, as Wayfair reviews your listing to ensure it meets their standards. Meanwhile, it's a good idea to monitor the status of your submission. You can do this within your seller account, where any updates or necessary adjustments will usually be communicated. Once your product is approved, it will go live on Wayfair, accessible to millions of potential customers. As you wait, take this time to review other aspects of your seller portal or plan your next listings.